Hey, what's up guys, my name is Nick from Exploit Theory, and today I'm going to show you how to get out of the map and swim in the air on Ratchet and Clank. So to do this glitch you'll need the Hydro Pack, the Thruster Pack and the O2 Mask. If you've got these gadgets, go ahead and load up into the map, and you want to get to this part on the map where I'm showing now. And we're going to go up this big elevator over here. Now on our original way to do this glitch, we would normally jump on this wall to the left, but now they've added a barrier there to stop us. So we're just going to do a big hanged jump out over towards this circular part over here, and then jumping onto the pylon. We want to get on the very top, tallest part of the pylon, then do another hanged jump to over here. Now once here it's pretty much the same as the original way, so just follow where I'm going, being very careful not to fall onto the death barrier when you're jumping over these pylons right here. So over to this wall, using the Thruster Pack to climb the higher jumps. And once you make it to this part, you want to thruster jump on top of the roof. Head towards the centre building. And once at the centre building, we're going to walk along where the windows are, being very careful because the windows aren't solid. On our original way to do this glitch, at this point we would normally jump in between these two walls down there, but this is where they've added a death barrier now to stop us from trying to swim in the air. But death barriers don't stop us that much here, so we're just going to keep heading along the window and thrust jumping onto this pylon. Now you'll come to these two walls here and you're going to want to glide down in between these two and land into the water. Once in the water, you want to dive down and then go out of the side of the water. Now from here, all you have to do is make your way up out of the building by finding a path.
You've got enough bolts to buy a proton drum.
One of the other things I've also noticed with this update is that they've changed the cutscene triggers on top of this building over here. So now there's only the regular cutscene left on the top here where the flag is, and all the other debug ones have disappeared. This glitch was found by us here at Exploit Theory. If you've liked the video at all, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this, feel free to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.